When you're asked to solve an equation that has many fractions in it, the best idea is to find the lowest common denominator between every denominator that you see. So between 3, 5, and 10, what would that be? Well, 10 can be divided by 5, but not 3. What's the next multiple of 10? That would be 20. 20 can be divided by 5, but not 3. So what's the next multiple of 10? 30. 30 can be divided by 5, and 30 can be divided by 3. So 30 is the lowest common denominator, or some people call it there's also something called the least common multiple. Now, why do we take the time to find the lowest common denominator? Because this is what can be divided evenly by all three denominators, so that when you multiply every single term by this number, you can remove all the fractions. Watch how this works. 30 times the first term of 2/3 x, copy the next operation, plus 30 times the next term of 1/5, copy the next symbol, equals 30 times the next term of 2x, copy the operation, and then 30 times the last term of 3/10. Yes, we're multiplying through, but we do this so we can divide first. Watch what happens when we divide first. 3 divides into 30 10 times, giving us 10 times 2x, which is 20x. 5 divides into 36 times, and positive 6 times 1 is still positive 6. Copy the equal sign. There's nothing in the denominator here, so you do not divide anything. You simply multiply to get 60x. And then over here, bless you, you've got 10 goes into 30 3 times, so you have this -3 times this positive 3, giving you -9. Notice there's no more fractions, so you can just solve it like any other equation you've done before. Remove the smaller variable term from both sides, and that gives you 6 equals 40x minus 9. Remove the constant that's on the same side as your variable term by adding its opposite to both sides. And then finally remove the coefficient by either dividing by it or multiplying by its reciprocal, whatever you need to do. So this will find that x is equal to, now let's see, if we divide the top and bottom by 5, we're going to get 3/8. That's how you can solve an equation that originally starts out with many fractions.